More than residual problem, economics is still loaded in favor of farmers burning crop residue. What is biomass burning? Why is it dangerous? What can be the alternatives for biomass burning? Why do farmers burn fields? What steps can the government take to control the burning of stubble? GS Paper 3, Environmental Pollution, Science and Technology, Agriculture. What is the context about? The burning of crop residues may have declined a bit in Punjab and Haryana, but it now extends to Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and to some southern states. What is biomass burning? Biomass burning is the burning of living and dead vegetation. It includes the human-initiated burning of vegetation for land clearing and land use change as well as natural, lightning-induced fires. Scientists estimate that humans are responsible for about 90% of biomass burning with only a small percentage of natural fires, contributing to the total amount of vegetation burned. Why is it dangerous? Burning vegetation releases large amounts of particulates, solid carbon combustion particles, and gases, including greenhouse gases that help warm the earth. Greenhouse gases may lead to an increased warming of the earth or human-initiated global climate change. Small particles emitted in the smoke of the fires can both reflect some of the incoming solar radiation back to space, and make clouds brighter, both of which tend to cool the surface of the earth. What can be the alternatives for biomass burning? In the market there are some chemicals, which can faster the rate of disposing. One can use the residue stalks to make compost. It can be used to mulching in the field and used to cover the soil/field after sowing to improve germination of seeds. It can be used as animal feed. It can be used to produce green coal. Why do farmers burn fields? As the population increased, scarcity of food increased. In order to address this, now farmer is taking 4 crops per year, so they do not have time to cut, shred and store the crop residue. Labor cost come in crop residue cutting, storing and transportation is not viable nowadays. With decreasing cattle population, the crop residue consumption decreased. It is believed that the diseases of last crop will not transmit in coming sowing crop, and same for weeds. They also advocating in farmers, burning residuals of crops is a good practice because left ash is a good source of phosphorus. What steps can the government to control the burning of stubble? Like in Punjab, stubble burning should be banned. A local thermal incinerator can be constructed so as to remove fly ash and sell that to cement factory for reinforced concrete. Government should step in and ask panchayats to group together stubble removal process so that small-scale farmer need not to buy a separate machine, but small farmer can contribute to the cost of machine by the percentage of size of his land, on combined land of all those who will be using it. Make stubble removing machines cheap by offering subsidiary by government to panchayats. Reward those farmers who follow, to give a moral support. Award them with cheaper crop seeds or fertilizers etc. that could help them in next crop. This way farmers will be motivated to do better for society.